What you do your thing? I was just saying because you talking about you about to drop your plate.
That's what I said. And I'm up to.
I was. See how this grease on my arm? Okay, take 10. What's up, hood rats? Welcome to the Ratchet Show. Y'all know how your girlfriend just be want to be seen sometimes. That's my baby, y'all. She want everybody to know I'm not single. I'm not on the market. It's hot. Anyways, I got some motherfucking Henderson chicken. I got Sahiti Valley Ranch, so bam, Louisiana hot sauce, bam. My shit ain't gonna be called no mukbang because I ain't gonna be eating all the time. I ain't got no money to be coming on the camera eating for y'all motherfuckers all the time. We just gonna motherfucking talk. We gonna have some fun. And out there, y'all go subscribe, but y'all go share this shit with somebody else. That's how that's gonna go. Anyway, I can hear some chicken today. I'm out here in Dallas, Texas. Where is this chicken at? What is it? Count Wilson, right? Count Wilson, right? This Oak Cliff. Oak Cliff. Now, when I be watching people mukbang and shit, everybody be talking and shit, right? But I don't be knowing what to talk about, so y'all gonna be listening to my life stories and shit, right? One thing I learned in Texas, in Atlanta, I'm from Atlanta, by the way. In Atlanta, we love hot wings. We love them bitches with a passion. But when I first came to Texas, they served pickles with their chicken and shit. And I thought it was the nastiest shit ever. And now, I cannot eat chicken without it. I know that was nasty, but shit, everybody be trying to get y'all in real mukbang. This some real shit right here. This real shit. This real shit right here. And that's why it's called the Ratchet Show. You gonna hear and see all type of ratchet shit on here. But do know we eat it. Yeah,
Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. You gotta practice, baby. You just can't go in there on mild shit.
These motherfuckers in my background and shit. My shit ain't
motherfucking ice cold water.
My shit ain't no mukbang though.
God damn. I'm cussing. I'm sorry. Say Sunday, you all ain't mukbang. Praise the Lord.
Nah, this is called the Ratchet Show. It gonna be a little bit cussing.
And wash your hands.
This is, matter of fact, this ain't a kid-friendly show. If the kids watching this, put me on the adults only list, cause this ain't for kids.
What do you say? Your girl is fucking fine. Oh, some girl, you pull it up.
Strawberry lemonade pie, wait. Who? Still thirsty. Somebody killed that. One bitch want to get out of the mukbang, the other bitch trying to get in.
Oh, you not on Facebook? You recording yourself?
Yeah, cause I'm doing the IGTV. You gotta have the video, then you put it on IGTV. It's a TV show.
Oh, you showing your food face?
No, but you didn't get out my video.
Bitch. Big ass head.
You say my shit. One thing about it, my head little. When people jump on me, they be like, little peanut head ass little girl. They'll never say that. But no, don't let her fool y'all. My head is little. I know y'all like all the. Y'all like looking at the mukbang where they like to smack and have sauce running down their mouth. Let me tell you something. If I do it, it ain't on purpose. Cause I'm not just finna bite something and just have some shit running down the side of my neck and shit. This ain't that kind of butt bang. If you like that nasty shit, go ahead on. Fuck that. And I ain't throwing no shots at nobody. Cause I like all the beat love. Mukbang, whatever you call them. Shout out the lady, my girl be watching B Love. I like her. I ain't doing no mukbang. I just thought it would be a good idea to get on here, converse, and talk with you motherfuckers. That's all. While I eat. That shit is good. It's a Ratchet Show. You ain't gonna get to see the food box on here. We bought a 10-piece dark. We eat our paper plates. You hear me? I wish y'all could see that. See that? See that? I wish it was away. I could lift my plate up so y'all can see my food, but maybe if I spin it like that, I guess, I don't know. I know y'all like looking at the food. What joy do y'all get out of that shit? I don't know why. What do it do? Do it relax y'all soul? By watching folks eat, is it some shit for anxiety? Like, what is it? People with anxiety. I'm guilty. I'm a person with anxiety. Weird stuff cool us down and calm us down. So maybe it could be an anxiety issue for some of y'all or something. Oh no.
I think they call that evolution.
But the chicken is really good. It ain't bad either. We got 10-piece dark, $11.99. It's $12.98 with tax. Got it. Come with bread, pickles, fries. Pickle, ranch, hot sauce, chicken. Well, what you want to do? Let me tell y'all how to make this shit. Tastes real good. You put the hot sauce on your chicken, right? Dip that chicken in that ranch. And then put it on your bread. Put it on your bread. Take a piece out. Put on ranch. Put it on the bread. And put some pickles on that bitch, right? I hope y'all subscribe to my shit for real. I just got bored and decided to do this shit.
Here's how it works. Students are taught online by state-certified teachers. The curriculum is fully accredited. The program gives kids the flexibility to
That's good shit right there, y'all.
they can explore subjects they're passionate about and get extra help when they need it from their teachers.
And y'all can follow me on
Call or go online today to learn more.
Snapchat, SG_Spade, man, Instagram.
Growing community of families
Psycho Kid Spade. You know on Facebook? Y'all can't add me on Facebook because I don't know y'all like that.
Because every child is uniquely brilliant.
Alright, once again, I have revolutionized the songwriting process. I know I can't play an instrument, but this is my forte. Obviously, for auto insurance, we've got the wheel route. Retirement, we're going with a long-term play. Pet insurance, let me guess, flea flicker.
It's really good.
How'd you know? I'm studying my playbooks.
I don't know how they be doing mukbangs for an hour. Cause my clock at 10:50. And I'm down there full. No. You talking about on the Allstate commercial?
Yeah.
No, girl.
Who is that?
One of them brothers. What's their name?
That football player that was on the commercial? What was that, baby?
Yeah. Either Peyton Manning or his brother. Yeah, I think it was Peyton. But it's either him or his brother. What's his little brother name? Yeah, it's Peyton, because Peyton the older than Eli. I don't know about who they went with. Y'all like that type of shit. That shit stay on my hand. Nah, it came in.
I got that case. Every time I see that commercial, I thought it was from just on there with the country food.
And then you have to call your wife to meet you at the doctor.
Them folks really fine. Their daddy was a Super Bowl winner. The man is Peyton and Eli Manning. And daddy was
I heard Eli Manning. I be hearing my mama.
that's the little brother. But the daddy was high school football star, went to the NFL, won like 3 championships. Now Peyton did it. Now Eli just got to catch up. Them folks.
I hate that football team because they would be playing football every time they get out. That's why they cut.
Nah, they were Tom Brady bitch ass.
Oh, that was Eagle.
Yep. I can't stand. Nah, it was the Patriots. I can't stand them. Worst team in the fucking NFL.
Oh yeah. Patriots.
I hate them. I don't know who I hate the most. The Patriots or the Saints. Can't stand them. Hate them.
Wow.
If you watching my video, if you a Saints or a Patriots fan, I don't give a fuck.
Why you don't like them, baby?
First of all, the Saints is the Falcons' rival. Let's start there. That's all like them. The Patriots, bro, they suck. They always cheat, bro. This man that got 7 Super Bowl rings cheating.
Yeah, he cheats.
Cheated every year. Deflate the ball. They'll call something. Goddamn. Motherfucker.
How do they deflect the ball? Cause they'll like use a hole that you can play.
Yeah, well, it's like a slowly, so you won't know that it's actually busted shit.
But how would they deflate it? They stick a needle in
They
there.
stick a needle in that hole before the game started. By the middle of the game, that shit be flat.
It'll be flat. Oh wow. That's why
So
they can't win.
The nigga got 7 rings.
They know they win, so they losers.
And they cheated for them again. Let me say something. Last Super Bowl was the most boring Super Bowl in the history of Super Bowls. With no special plays. It was just ball turnovers. It's all it was the whole game. Ball turnovers. Ball turnovers. But I tell you what though, next month it's football season. Them Falcons back. Hopefully they done renegotiated Julio's contract. He wanna get on his field. I would say he acting like a little bitch right now, but but he not. He the best wide receiver in the league. They need to get him some more money. Julio, he hasn't been practicing with the Falcons. Julio Jones, he hasn't been practicing with us because they won't give him a raise. And they gave everybody, Matt Ryan, we just gave Matt Ryan $5.7 million.